What's happening, YouTube? So I wanted to do a different video. This video is going to be about how can I add or give some value to my bathroom. So sometimes we think about some of the little modifications what you can have, like neon lights. I've touched on lighting and stuff like that in another video, but hopefully I'll be able to put it in the description below so you guys can check it out. But today what I'm here to speak about, is this ceiling speaker, for your bathroom. So it's waterproof. I've done a little review on it before, but I need to tell you how much this product has changed bathrooms. I'll just keep it real with you. Loads of people like music in the bathroom. I like music in the bathroom. I've got one of these in my bathroom, so I thought I'd tell you guys about it. Everything's all built in. It's got an amp and stuff like that, which drives it. Nice sound what you get from it, quality. You can actually loop these into another passive speaker. So this is an active speaker, so it needs the power. It's got the amp and everything built in, which you guys can see. Got the plugins there. Got the other phonos and stuff that comes off there. So you get like, I went into my full review. Well, you guys can see the full review about the speaker, which is on my page as well. I want you guys to check that out because I actually took a lot of time to make that video. So I want you guys to also like and subscribe if you like the content, what you're seeing. At the end of the day, I always think outside the box, and I met these guys years ago. This is Lithium Audio, so that's the company who make these, and they make some wonderful speakers. They can tailor make your speaker towards what you want, what type of sound and all that. They do a lot of other stuff as well, so I'm gonna link their website underneath this post, so definitely check them out. But this is a great way to upgrade in your bathroom and just have that difference. Do you know what I mean? To be in the shower or brushing your teeth, listening to, you know, GMTV or Magic, you know, whatever you guys listen to, might be a bit of a little baby or something on this, and you know, it's just a difference. And I think these are the things which people are looking for, and as a plumber, I think to be able to offer these things to your customers, you're more at a value in it. So think about products which other people would want and not just yourself. I just thought about myself when I thought about this, because I thought a lot of people like music, innit? Like I love music, and to have music in the bathroom, it's a go. At the end of the day, it's just a quick upgrade. It's just a little hole. It sits in there. It's got some brackets on the side which clip out. I'm gonna actually look. Here they are. Here. So these brackets clip out. They're all over here, and so forth. You know, there's another one there. Another one there. So they just clip out. There you go. And that kind of holds it in. But you can see the full video which I put up on there. It's on my page. I just wanted to tell you about, just as a plumber, you know, to think about products which homeowners want, which people are going to enjoy. This is something people are going to enjoy for a long time. Get a good guarantee on this as well. Definitely check them guys out. That's Lithium Audio. Great work.